Inahawakan nga ang mga OFW na mga Pinoy sa Hong Kong. Ito'y matapos na mabalitaan na nandoon ang mag-abang Vice President Sara Duterte at ang former President ng Pilipinas na si President Duterte. Well, mula nga sa Facebook page ni Ibi Jugalbot, marami nga po ang nagpahayag ng kanilang kasiyahan. At isang Jose Enrico V. Banao mula sa kanyang Facebook ang nagpaliwanag that there are those who wonder why OFW shed a tear whenever they see PRRD in the flesh. If you've never lost a loved one to crime and drug addiction, if you've never had to leave the country to work for your family, if you've never felt hopeless, helpless, and hurt, if you've never been unheard and unseen, you would never even understand. PRRD is hope, justice, and order roller into one funny, foul-mouthed, and fierce old man. He understands their hopes, fears, and dreams. He is one of them. And if you're thousands of kilometers away from those you hold dear, having someone like PRRD taking care of your family's safety and security brings you peace of mind, a gift no amount of foreign money could ever buy. Well, matatandaan na viral ngayon sa social media ang pag-alis ni Vice President Sara Duterte at ng ama na si former President Duterte, at ito nga daw ay nagpunta sa Hong Kong para tumakas sa ICC. Yan ang ipinapakalat ngayon ng spokesperson ng palasyo na si Attorney Claire. Mula sa Abogado PH National Bureau of Investigation or NBI Director Jaime Santiago on Sunday, shut down the swirling speculation that the International Criminal Court (ICC) has already issued an arrest warrant for former President Rodrigo Duterte by calling it fake news. Yan nga po ang sinabi ni NBI Chief Jaime Santiago. ICC warrant versus Rudy is fake news. Galit na galit naman ang mga netizen sa fake news na ipinapakalat ni Attorney Claire. Ilang netizen ang nagsabi na di ba walang kamatayang ICC, WPS, Pogo, Drug War, CF, 3 taon pa, ulit-ulit na issue. Hindi ba kayo nagsasawa paano gagalaw ang ICC, wala ng pera at power dahil kay President Trump? Instead, you in the Philippines administration improve the peace, love, and orderly. Puro kayo pamumulitika, parang sabog palagi, pinagtatakpan nyo ang korupsyong ginagawa ng Marcos at Romualdez. Say naman ng isang netizen, walang hiya talaga yung Attorney Claire Castro. Chismosa ang dating, irrelevant ang hinahatid niya na information sa mga tao. Yan nga ang tahasang pagsupla kay Attorney Claire ng NBI Chief Jaime Santiago. Ito ay isang fake news. Walang ICC warrant na inilalabas kay Duterte. Well, ano masasabi niyo about dito? Ilagay na ang opinion sa ating comment section. Images or all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.